Welcome to the AFL Classroom. In today's episode, we're going to guide you through the installation process of the AFL Poli-MOD Patch and Splice module, an innovative solution designed to make your installations quicker, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. Traditionally, patch and splice panels require quite a bit of effort, tedious installation taking up too much space, and difficult maintenance when needed. But with AFL's Poli-MOD, we're changing the game. The Poli-MOD is designed to offer a much more installation-friendly and space-efficient solution. The Poli-MOD is small enough to fit within an industry-standard LGX 118 footprint, while offering plenty of space for secure fiber slack and splice management without the need for splice trays. Plus, it's built to simplify testing and troubleshooting while also allowing for scalable growth, so you spend less time on upkeep and more time focusing on what matters. Before we dive into the installation, let's go over the tools you'll need. You'll want to have your cable prep tools, splicing tools, and of course, safety glass. Make sure everything is nearby so you're not interrupted during the installation process. Let's start our installation by preparing the incoming fiber optic cable for termination. We'll be demonstrating this installation for instructional purposes utilizing 12 fiber circular premise cable. AFL offers a variety of fiber preparation instructions in the instructional manual that comes with every Poli-MOD kit and recommends following these instructions for your appropriate application. After prepping your incoming cable, splice the incoming fiber optic cable to the Poli-MOD pigtails. Once you've completed each splice, secure it into the customized splice sleeve cradle provided with the module. Next, you'll secure the fiber optic cable to the Poli-MOD using our innovative mounting clip. This clip is specifically designed to eliminate the need for tie wraps, making your job easier and ensuring a secure fit every time. Now, carefully route the fiber slack into the Poli-MOD module. It's important to make sure the slack is organized and doesn't interfere with the overall installation. For the final step, snap the adapter plate into the Poli-MOD body and engage the cover. And just like that, the Poli-MOD is ready to be deployed in your network. The AFL Poli-MOD offers a patch and splice solution that minimizes installation time while setting the standard for versatility. It's perfect for a wide variety of applications, from telecommunications closets and data centers to customer premises, local area networks, wide area networks, central offices, and more. Thank you for watching this AFL Classroom session. For more information, visit us online at aflglobal.com.